Hello, I'm Danielle. We are in the Danielle Show. This is my collection of my cell phone vibration. This is my cell phone Samsung Galaxy Fame Light, and its charger Samsung Galaxy Fame Light. And we have next one, my webcam camera for the Samsung. Can you see? And my cell phone have an case. For protection. You open it, slide, swipe the screen. Okay, can you see? That's that. Okay, can you see? We have a case with holes. Okay.
Bilang na naman.
And applications and many applications. Okay. This is the contact and messages or SMS. Why you fucking?
Kasalanan ni Yuri.
Okay. This is the game. So I like it. So this is my lace. My lace is from Hamad lace. So it's color white and the tie is black, and the pointer is silver. Can you see? Its lace is white with the blue. Can you see? Hamad, and white operator. This is my watch. The of watch is Timex. Can you? Timex. It's water resistance in 50 meters and can absorb water. Hehe. Hi. It's Raquel, my cousin. Okay. The next one is my headset. Headset is to hear sound quietly in your ears only. Like this. So you can.
Kunin mo yung mga pantalong ko ng laki.
Mama is going to see. You can.
Where? Here or there?
You can
Going to see.
set it in your cell phone.
Your jacket too.
Yeah. Okay,
Your
you
jacket
can hear.
Okay.
So, bye-bye. We have no things more, but subscribe us in UG.com and like us in Google and comment for our show, Daniel Show Comparative Show. Bye-bye. Thank you.